Linnea, can you introduce yourself? Tell our audience who you are and what you do.
I'm Linnea Goodrich. I'm the owner administrator for First Step Nursing Services, which is independently, locally owned home care agency in San Diego. We've been in business for 14 years, and we provide skilled nursing care, meaning certified nurse assistants, licensed vocational nurses, and registered nurses to people in the home. We will take care of anybody who needs care in the home. We take care of babies all the way up to people who are on hospice and will be dying soon. Anything that can be done in a hospital, short of open heart surgery, can be done at home, even chemotherapy, and my nurses can do all of those things. So it just makes it a lot easier for people to be in the comfort of their own home, getting the things done for them, to them, that used to be done in the hospital.
I see. It would seem to me that your business is primarily a one-to-one personal care kind of thing. Where does technology play its part in this? I mean, why is that important to you in running your business?
I have over 100 nurses registered with my agency. So in order to ensure that the right nurse is going to the right patient at the right time, we have a scheduling software program. We have all of the patient's information on the computer. We do a plan of care on every single person we take care of, even if it's just only one visit. Even how they like something done or a specific thing, like maybe they have cats or dogs or something like that. All of that information is kept on the computer about the patient so that if a nurse is no longer going out there, a nurse moves away, a nurse calls in sick, the next nurse going out has all the information available to them so that they can do the best job and there is continuity of care.
Boy, this sounds like you've got a lot of critical and vital information that you had to maintain. That ever keep you up at night wondering whether your system is all secure? You've got an awful lot depending on technology here.
Oh my gosh, yeah. I used to wake up at 2, 3 o'clock in the morning a lot, being very worried about what if this happened, what if that went down. Oh my gosh, I had computer problems yesterday and I hope I fixed it correctly. Wait, maybe I should do this, maybe I should do that. And yes, I was the person handling all of that. And no, I'm not a whiz in that area. It was just as a business owner, that's what I started to do. I knew how to install the computers and put them together, and I was the one in charge of it all.
Boy, that must be difficult because I'm thinking that as we look in your area and we look at other home nursing services, I just wonder how many of them are taking the additional steps to really protect that data. I mean, we all know about HIPAA rules and so forth, but most people don't know to even check to see whether the company they're working with has adequate security and so forth. How did you come across CMIT and Ken Hamilton to start working with them?
He was a referral from the Chamber of Commerce that I belong to in Rancho Bernardo. I had a computer problem, and I did not have the time to do anything, and became very highly recommended by the Chamber. I trusted the Chamber. Ken sent somebody out. They fixed the problem. They did a great job. Then I talked with Ken a great deal, and, it was one of those things where he brought up every single thing that I would lay awake and worry about. Like, oh my gosh, I don't do backups on a regular basis here. What if so this happens? What if? And so it's like I'm so grateful that Ken came into my life because it's like I was very, very scared of having anything go wrong with my computers. All my financial information for the business is on my computers. All the medical information of every patient I've ever taken care of is on the computers. And yes, it concerned me a lot when I think about, oh my gosh, if something crashes or if there's a virus or somebody hacks into my system, what liability am I taking on? So, he was able to explain to me in a way that I could understand what he could do for me and make sure that my computer would be protected. I would be HIPAA compliant. I didn't have to worry about viruses. I didn't have to worry about people hacking into my system. He went through everything step by step within being very respectful of what price guidelines I needed to stay with and working with me so that over a few month period of time, I have total peace of mind now. What a relief.
Well, and you're using CMIT Guardian right now to protect all your data, which includes an offsite backup, which I think you said really became more important to you as you've gone through a couple of calamities in your area. Can you tell us more about that?
Yes, I live in an area where I personally have been evacuated twice the last two fires we've had here, and I think the last fire was 3 years ago. And then this past Easter, we had this huge earthquake in San Diego. And when we had the earthquake, all I could think of was, thank goodness, I don't have to worry. I know that I have an off-site backup. So I could be up and running within, moments and not have to worry about anything. And that becomes very important because during the fires, we had to evacuate several of our patients. Many of our nurses were evacuated, and yet my business has to operate 24 hours, 7 days a week, and we needed to have access to everything. So that's when I really, really was scared because 3 years ago I did not have the backup. I didn't have Ken at that time. I had the added stress of having to go through all of that and also being very afraid, what if something happened? My office is in a pretty secure location in San Diego. Nothing's ever happened here, except for this past summer. There was a fire right behind my building. And that day I thought, oh, my God, we're going to be evacuated from my office building. It's not going to even hit the news because it's such a small fire, but it could burn my building down. I turned to my staff and I said, okay, the last one out, if we have to evacuate, you just take the server. I said, we have everything backed up. We'll be good to go. We'll
Right.
be okay. We will have all the information we need right here with us. We'll be good.
Well, besides giving you peace of mind, it would seem like this also allows you to take your eyes off of your IT and put your efforts back on making sure that you're really serving your patients better. So how has going on Marathon, for example, which is CMIT's program that keeps your computers up and running and lets you know in advance if there's going to be a problem. I mean, what has that meant to you in terms of peace of mind and also of serving your patients?
The biggest thing it's probably done for me is that I would try to do something that I thought was going to take 5 minutes, and 3 hours later. So with those 3 hours now, I can make sure that the quality, the standards that I want to adhere to, that I feel really set my agency apart from other agencies, I can really make sure that we're doing all the things that I want to see us be doing, that my nurses are getting continuing education, that I am furthering their knowledge and training about dementia and Alzheimer's. Those are the things that I can make sure are happening, so I'm providing the best care to my patients and providing the best continuing education to my nurses without having to worry about, oh my gosh, I'm going to have to cancel that meeting today because I'm stuck with these computers. What I spend on CMIT monthly is nothing compared to when I think about what my salary is and how many hours it would take to accomplish what Ken's doing for me. I'm saving money. When I think about how many hours I used to spend, I would be paying myself so many more hours than what the amount I'm paying Ken. That's what I want to be saying.
Right.
And it really is a bargain in those terms. More importantly, I know it's getting done right, and it's not just, well, I think I fixed that.
Right.
No, I know it's fixed. Well, I think I'm protected and nobody can get into my computer system. No, now I know that can't happen.
Right.
It's just an incredible peace of mind. I wake up in the middle of the night thinking about other things. I can think about how to market and present my business better, but I'm not worried about computers anymore.
Right. So, with computer guys, there are a lot of guys that are pretty good at fixing computers and making your network run, but in terms of really helping you think strategically about your business, how to grow your business, how to think beyond just the bits and bytes and think about strategically how to help you in your business. How good is Ken at that?
That's probably another huge area. What sets Ken apart is that the people that I've hired before, when things got to be out of hand for me, all they did was come in and fix the problem at hand. Maybe try to sell me bells and whistles I didn't need, or try to sell me something that I'm not really sure was really the answer for me or my business. They were trying to make me fit into their cookie-cutter mold. Ken, on the other hand, really took the time to understand what my business is about and working within my budget restraints. We meet once a quarter to go over everything, make sure that what he's providing me is what I need, And our next meeting, we're going to sit down and do some strategic planning on what I need to do to be able to move forward and protect myself. I have a couple of software programs that I need to update them, and we're going to think about what's the best way to do that going forward so that I will have the most efficient software with the least amount of money, but giving me the best service. You know, he's very, very nice to work with. He's also very conscientious. I know that when I tell him I have a problem, it's taken care of. I don't have to go back a second time. He's very responsive. I have been very, very pleased with everything he's done. And I feel very, very fortunate that it was the chamber that recommended him. So that gave me peace of mind right there that the chamber was recommending him. Then he himself and the job he has done for me has reassured me and made me feel like, wow, I really did make the right decision.